filming.
Alright guys, look at this cage. What can you see there? Please help us. What can you see, Sophie? What can you see?
I can see a giraffe. We can see also
Long
Neck and long legs.
zebras.
Mhm.
It's a horse, but it has got white and black
Stripes.
stripes. I can see ostrich.
An ostrich. Bogdan, and what color? What color is a zebra skin?
Look, it's black.
It's black. Excellent. Zookeeper. What can you see? Bogdan, you're the zookeeper.
I can see elephant drinking some tea.
Drinking some tea. Okay, now Alice, you're the second one. Zookeeper. What can you see?
I see that lion sitting on me.
No, sitting under the tree, right?
No, sitting on me.
Sitting right on your head? Okay. Now, Sonia. Zookeeper, what can you see?
Coyote.
I can see coyote looking at me.
No, it's sleeping on the tree.
Sleeping on the tree. Okay, now David, it's your turn. Yeah. Zookeeper.
What can you see?
What can you see?
I can see lion, zebra,
Okay, I can see a lion, elephant,
peacock,
peacocks. And what are they doing? Making some tea. Making some tea for elephants. Okay, good.
It's an elephant similar to the horse. It has got black stripes. It can swim and jump, but it can't climb and fly. Tiger? No. It's animal similar to the horse. It has got black stripes. It can
Zebra. Perfect. Okay.
I'm first.
Very good.
It's an animal which is yellow and brown. It has got a long neck and it can swim and jump, but it can't fly. Yes.
This is a giraffe. Okay.
Small animal which lives in the it can swim. Yes.
You guys so fast.
It is a small animal. It's yellow, not black. It can fly. It gives
No. No.
It's a small animal. It is yellow and black. It can fly. It gives us honey.
Honey.
Yes.
Bee. Very good,
It's
Bogdan.
small. It has six legs. It lives in a net.
And yourself.
Yes, spider.
Spider. Perfect.
It lives in the forest. It is very small. It has his house on his back. It doesn't have snails. Yes.
That's a snail.
It can walk on two or four legs. It can jump from tree to tree. It lives in jungle and like bananas.
Bananas. Thank you very much, Sophie, for your help.